In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of purchasing a Constant Contact subscription using PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and I'll explain each step. Firstly, open your browser and search for Constant Contact. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to visit the Constant Contact website. Once on the website, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. To do this, click on Start Trial to access the pricing section. Choose the subscription plan that suits your needs and click on Start Trial. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to create your Constant Contact account. After creating your account, you can proceed to purchase your chosen subscription plan. Select the plan you want and proceed to checkout. You'll be given the option to pay with PayPal. Constant Contact officially accepts PayPal payments, so you can confidently use your PayPal account to complete the purchase. Enter your PayPal email address and password to authorize the transaction. Once the payment is processed, your Constant Contact subscription will be activated and you'll be able to access all the features included in your chosen plan. That's it! You've successfully purchased a Constant Contact subscription using PayPal.